Hey everybody, welcome to this Friday edition, November 2nd of DevBits. Sharing with you, today we have a front-end developer handbook, a couple DevLeague specific announcements, as well as some cool data visualization resources. To kick it off, our friends over at Frontend Masters been hugely supportive of us from the beginning. They released their 2017 Front-End Developers Handbook. This was actually a little bit older, but we did want to share it because it's such a good resource. So if you're dabbling in the front end, and we all know it's hard to keep up with kind of the best practices and the latest tools, so check it out in the links below. For a couple DevLeague specific things, we do have our Cohort 17 graduation coming up on November 10th. They'll be showing their demos of their final projects. It's a good time to kind of just come down, socialize, get some food and drinks, and hang out and wish them well on their journey. Also in the news, or in DevLeague specific news, we do have a new track format for our JavaScript tracks. So we used to be a 12-week and 26-week program respectively. We've added an additional 4 weeks of online prep to each class. So our 12-week immersive is actually a 16-week immersive now, and our 26-week part-time is now 30 weeks. So both of those, the online portion is starting December 9th. So if you are interested in either one of those, you can kind of spend December managing online and then start the new year off with the immersive track. So check out our website if you want to apply for either one of those. And in other news, we have a very cool data visualization collection that we'd like to share. So some of the best DataViz resources curated around the web. We love data. We love looking at kind of how people like to get creative with it. So it's great if you're looking to draw some inspiration, or even just seeing how people like to kind of tell the story with data. Check it out. And last but not least, Node.js version 8 is officially out. So this is their new LTS, or long-term support version. Bunch of small changes, but the key things that we're excited about in this version is that Async await is now officially dropped. So if you have been in callback hell and promises have made your head explode, we finally have kind of what we know has been coming for a while in Async await. It's kind of a different model of programming, but it really is going to, I think, help us in writing asynchronous JavaScript well. The other big feature, not exclusively related, but npm 5 is now part of the Node 8 install and has been released to well. And big key feature there is automatic save flag for when you're installing npm packages. So for any of you who have pulled down somebody's project, or they've pulled down yours and are missing a dependency, and we've all been there and done that. So thankfully npm's got our back on this one. And that is it for this Friday edition of DevBits, and we will talk to you soon. Have a safe and great weekend. Aloha.